How to create Doordash account. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, open any of your web browser on your phone. Okay, here we go. Now on the search box, just search for doordash.com. Okay, now tap on search. Now tap on the first link on top. Now we have come to the official website of Doordash. Then at the top right corner, you can see the option of sign up. Just tap on it. Okay, wait for a while. Now you come across this page, and over here you have to enter your personal details, your name, your email, your mobile number, and create a strong password. And at the bottom you can see other various options through which you can create a Doordash account. Like with Google, you can also continue with Facebook, or if you're using your iPhone, then you can create with your Apple ID. So first of all, let's enter our name here. Now add your last name as well, and similarly follow all the processes and enter your details that the page is asking for. And that's how you create your Doordash account. And this was all for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.